Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Check this out. We are here on deck 8, and this is Central Park. The Central Park here on the Icon is quite different than that on the Oasis class ships. Here goes a quick map of the Central Park here on the Icon. I apologize for the super loud music, but hey, it's got to be a party ship, gotta have party music. Here on the right side of the screen, this is the Azumi in the park. This is a large, nice size Azumi. It is beautiful, great design. All right, on the left is a famous trellis bar. Everyone loves the trellis bar. There it is. And an easy access to the Royal Promenade. Now this is actually an escalator that you take down to the promenade. Oh, my bad, there's stairs, not escalator. There are escalators on the ship to go from like deck 6 to deck 5, which really helps out with the elevator congestion. They got the Central Park plants, all these plants, all these trees, those are real. You got a fellow guest here who's really grooving to the music.
We're rocking the ship.
Oh, rocking the ship. Oh, you party, all right. Thank you. All right. Okay, here on the left side is Park Cafe. Park Cafe over here. Get a bunch of bites to eat, snacks. Great place to eat. More plants, more trees. And like on the Oasis class ships, these plants, these trees, they are real. They are not fake. They are real plants. And even the trees are real. Fantastic. I mean, if you didn't know it, you'd think you were on land. But this is all on a ship at sea. Crazy to think about this park is on a ship. Also, if you're a duck hunter, as in rubber duck, Central Park is a great place to look for ducks. Not sure how this trend started, but hiding ducks on a cruise ship, Central Park is the place to hunt ducks. I found one or two in my time here on ships, but a lot of them were here in Central Park. So if you're looking for ducks, place to go, Central Park. Hey, look, I found rabbits. Bunch of rabbits here in Central Park. Crazy. Things you'll find, little things like that around the ship, they're all over it. Look for them too. All right. Look, what's this up here? Is this a horse? A reindeer? Or what is this? I don't know. That's pretty cool. This wire structure here. But yeah. All these beautiful plants. So nice, open, clean walkway. These shutters they have on the windows here on the park balconies, those are nice too. Give it a real nice touch. You can see them up there. Yeah. All around. Beautiful setup. The design here, fantastic. All right. Okay, appreciate some shade here. Hot day here at the Caribbean on the Icon of the Seas. And this is me, Mr. Shadow 1969 on Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Hopefully, I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.